I think one of the things that you did during that time, and you're still doing it, that also was important when it came to ethnic studies and Chicano history is actually what you just kind of alluded to, the relationship between what's going on here and what's going on south of the border. Okay, you can't really separate. When people talk about my immigration, for example, it's kind of like in a vacuum, and they don't explain, well, NAFTA, basically allowed all these cheap agricultural products from the United States to Mexico, and they ruined Mexican agriculture. And people that know about it say there's going to be like a huge flow, millions and millions of people. So about 12 million people came after 94, and you talked about that in your writings. And so actually in a lot of the other disciplines, sociology, they don't talk about that. They don't talk about the fact that if you want to understand Mexican immigration, look at what corporate America is doing in Mexico, and then you'll understand it. See if you can stop that, because that's really what needs to be stopped. Mexico and the countries in Latin America need to be autonomous and not be under the control of a few banks and a few American corporations.
Yeah.
That is something that I think also kind of rattles people that look at what we teach and what we say, because you can't criticize you can't say that it's the United States that is responsible. It's government, it's banks, and it's corporations for the destruction of the Mexican economy and for all this migration here. That's not a nice thing to say.
Yeah.